where they're placed. It's a really nice way of visualizing what you could do with the degrees that we offer. And even on the next display here, you'll see the Wall of Fame. This is all the business cards of our students that are gainfully employed. See quite a variety of companies. Okay, this is Samson. This is another cup winner or national champion. It was designed to retrieve ping pong balls, 4 different color ping pong balls, sort them, and then fire them or shoot them into different targets based on the color. And you don't know where the targets are going to be on the day of the competition, so this is another type of semi-autonomous robot where we have, part of it is teleoperated and part of it is autonomous. So posters on either side. There's another robot, a little bit smaller. This is Tom. This is a teleoperated Marauder, and this was a teleoperated robot. But what's unique about this robot is, I don't know if you can see the green circuit board in the top. That's all surface mount. That was designed by one of our students in-house. And this uses 3-phase motors in order to get an incredible amount of torque. They're actually DeWalt drill motors to the wheels. And it had to do 4 different things: drag race, golf ball collection, field goal kick, and a barbell press. So it was kind of an electromechanical challenge because there's a set footprint, maximum space that you have to do that all within. Actually, he was a 3rd place winner. All right, come with me. And we'll take you down and show you a sample office of what it would be like here. One last display on the way before we go down the office suite. This is actually the very first semi-autonomous robot that was built here at Millersville University. This is about 2004 timeframe. And it competed in 2 different competitions, what was then a NATE robotics contest, as well as a Ohio National Robotics Challenge. And what it does is it seeks out a can, whether it's an oil can or a can of Diet Coke, whatever that is, and retrieves it. It's used teleoperation to go get near it, but once it comes in the field of view, then the sensors lock onto it and it grabs the can all on its own. So the operator can be several hundred yards away. Okay, these are all faculty offices for the robotics and controls area. And my office is the last one at the end here. Okay, so this is a typical office that you would see in Osburn Hall. Some faculty have, nice chairs or couches for the students to sit on for advisement. You'll see some of the work that I've been playing with here of late. I have a Now robot that I typically program, and you can see more videos of that on my website. And we've got these new, you saw one in the lab, these new HMIs. We've got a ton of them in a box on the floor over here, and these will eventually go with all those projects that you've seen in the lab. Okay, that concludes the tour of the first floor of Osburn Hall. Thank you very much for visiting with us.